There are strange things done in the midnight sun by the men who moil for gold. The Arctic trails have their secret tales that make your blood run cold. The Northern Lights have seen queer sights. The queerest they ever did see was that night I cremated Sam McGee. Sam McGee was from Tennessee, where the cotton blooms and blows. Why he left his home in the south to roam round the pole, Lord only knows. He was always cold, the land of gold held him in a spell, but he'd often say that he'd rather live in hell. On a Christmas day we were mushing our way over the Dawson Trail. The talk of your cold through the parka's fold, it stabbed like a driven nail. If our eyes we'd close, our lashes froze, but sometimes we couldn't see. The only one to complain was Sam McGee. Well, that very night as we lay packed tight in our robes beneath the snow, the dogs were fed and the stars overhead were dancing heel to toe. Well, he turned to me and Cap says he, I'll cash in this trip I guess. Promise me you won't refuse my last request. Well, it seemed so low, I couldn't say no, and he said in a moan, it's the cursed cold, it's got right hold, and I'm chilled down to the bone. Yet it ain't being dead, it's my awful dread of an icy grave that pains. So promise me you'll cremate my last remains. Well, a friend's last need's a thing to heed, and I swore I wouldn't fail. We started on at the break of dawn, but God, he looked so pale. He crouched in the sleigh and raved all day of his home in Tennessee. That night a corpse was all left of Sam McGee. A promise made, a debt unpaid, and the trail has its stern code. The days to come, though my lips grew numb, in my heart I cursed that load. The trail was bad and I felt half mad, but I swore I wouldn't give in. When I looked down, old Sam was wearing a grin. We came to the marge of Lake Labarge, and a derelict there lay. Jammed in the ice, I saw in a trice she was called the Alice May. Well, I looked at it, thought of it, and I said to my frozen chum, here, said I, is your crematorium. Planks I tore from the cabin floor, and I lit the boiler fire. The coal I found that was lying around, and I heaped the fuel higher. Well, the flames soared, the furnace roared, a blaze you seldom see. And in those coals I stuffed in Sam McGee. I took a hike, 'cause I didn't like to hear him sizzle so. The heavens scowled, the huskies howled, and the wind began to blow. Well, sick with dread, I bravely said, I'll just take a peep inside, and slowly opened the door wide. there sat Sam looking cool and calm in the heart of the furnace roar. He wore a smile, you could see a mile, and he said, please close that door. Well, it's fine in here, but I greatly fear you'll let in the cold and storm. Since I left Tennessee, it's the first time I've been warm. There are strange things done in the midnight sun by the men who toil for gold. The Arctic trails have their secret tales that make your blood run cold. The northern lights have seen queer sights, the queerest they ever did see. 'Cause that night I cremated Sam McGee.